everyone, today I'm going to show you what you need to pack for uni, and as I'm studying an art or design based subject, I'm also going to show you a little bit of the stuff that you need to bring with you. For that, I already did a year of uni, so I kind of know a little bit what to bring, and last year I brought way too much, so this year I'm trying to take a little bit less. But yeah, let's get started with the video. I'm going to start with kitchen essentials. You'll need a pan. I got this pan from IKEA. It was so cheap, €4 or something. Then you'll need a tray, or you can share a tray with your flatmates. And then you'll need a pot. Then you'll need mugs. I would recommend taking 2 of each. So 2 plates, 2 mugs, 2 glasses, and that sort of stuff. Then I'm taking these 2 IKEA glasses. You should try and take a water bottle with you. And then I'm taking cutlery. I've got 3 of each. The thing is, you don't really need a lot of each because you're going to be hand washing, and if you have more washing to do, it just piles up. I guess less is more in this instance because then it makes you wash your stuff quicker as well. And then I'm taking a cutting board, and I'm also taking a cutting knife with me. And then I'm taking this glass with me. I did a haul last year where I bought these, and I think these are so pretty, so I'll use them for special occasions. I used to have a second one of these, but because I'm sending my parcels to Germany and then to the UK again, it unfortunately broke on the way here. Speaking of sending parcels, I find that that's the easiest way of sending your stuff over to a different country or moving to a different country. It's the cheapest way as well. So I usually just pack, last year I packed 3 parcels. This year I'm going to try and only pack 1 or maybe 2. Last year I sent 3 parcels back for £20, which I thought was quite cheap, but sending it there was quite expensive. I spent around €90, which is maybe like £80. I'm going to get 2 new kitchen towels and 2 new washcloths as well. Moving on to bedding and bed, I'm taking a bed sheet. I'm still struggling with taking my bedding just because it's so huge and I don't know how to fit it. And last year I bought it in the UK and I left it there, but I can't really do that every year because that's quite expensive. So I somehow need to take it, but it just takes up so much space. And then I'm taking duvet covers and pillow covers with me as well. One cover is this one from IKEA, and then I take a grey cover that I've shown you in videos before, but it's on my bed right now. And I might take this grey cover as well. Think of taking washing up liquid and laundry detergent, but maybe buy the laundry detergent after you know exactly what washing machine they have. The one I need to use is this one. They use it quite a lot in the UK. Moving on, you'll need a towel. You can either take 2 big ones and 2 small ones, or just 1 big and 1 small one, because you can always just chuck it in the dryer. I'm taking a can opener as well. And then I'm taking an IKEA bag to put my washing in. You'll need a few shopping bags, and you need a bag for your books, but you get a lot of stuff in Freshers Week as well, so I'm sure you'll get a bag. I got this one last year and I used that for my books and that. I'm taking an umbrella, which is so important for the UK. Then I'm taking my favourite shampoo just because it's a lot cheaper in Germany, and I'm taking other toiletries as well, but you can always just buy them there. Taking my favourite deodorant because they don't have this exact one in the UK. Some shower gel. I've got the next item that is very random, my hot water bottle. Then I'm taking a tiny blow dryer. And moving on to stationery, you'll need a few notebooks. I did another video on what you need for architecture, so you can check that out if you want. For lectures, I'm just taking this huge pad, and then just take a few pens and pencils, yeah, that sort of stuff, highlighters as well. And I've got a few of these plastic folders which I'm going to keep my stuff in for all the different courses. I'm going to label them. And I've got an A3 folder where I can put my stuff in. It's like a folio folder. And then I saw that a lot of people in interior design do their drawings with these sort of pens. So I've got a couple of them, all bunch of colours, and I'm taking them with me. And then I'm taking pictures of me and my sister and some other pictures as well. And then I'm taking this extension cord. I have a lot of stuff that I need to charge with only European chargers, and you can't forget your adapter. This is so important. I'm taking a couple of these boxes, and they're just very easy to take with you because you can go with them this flat. And then I'm taking this box, so you can fold this out as well, and I might be putting some clothes in there just to give my room a bit more storage. I really want to take my bathrobe as well, but it's obviously quite huge and I don't know if I can fit it, but I really want to fit it because I just love it, and you can snug it up, and it's so easy when you're just getting out of the shower to just throw on, especially when you live in a shared flat. It's so nice to have a bathrobe because then you don't need to get dressed every single time you see your flatmates and you go to the kitchen or that, so it's really useful to have one. It's good to have flip-flops as well, especially if you're sharing a bathroom, which I did last year. Remember to take medicine, so like a few plasters, a thermometer. I'm taking my vitamins as well. I'm taking my camera as well, and also the camera I'm filming on. All that's left is basically all your clothes. Bring wintry clothes like a hat, gloves. Don't forget to bring like your shoes. Definitely bring a pair of boots. I'm going to film a different section in a second where I just pick out the clothes I want to take, but obviously that's a very personal thing. And along with that, don't forget to bring hangers. So yeah, that was everything I want to show you. I'll just show you the process of me picking out the clothes I want to take and how I'm fitting everything into my boxes. If you want to watch that, then do keep on watching, but I'm going to say goodbye for now. So I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy the rest, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye. This is what I've got packed so far.